Hello again. Well, today has been a blast. Well, we wanted to check out this spot. Very fucking cool, but we encountered one guy, one old man, that said that if we hung around here, like they're going to call police. There's hidden cameras somewhere. We only saw one, but we hiked through a big ass river. I'm fucking wet. The boys are wet. Whoa, pause there. But we said fuck it. We have 1 hour to explore this one of the big buildings. This, yes, it's a big ass mine. There is the entrance of the mine here, and that's a building. Our plan is, and this is a big ass building here, but it looks empty. Our plan is look around these buildings, hike up to this bridge, and check out what is on the other side there. We don't have a lot of time because we are really deep into the mountains, and we hiked a couple of hours here, and we have a couple of more hours going back, so we don't have much daytime left, as you can see, and the weather is getting bad. I hope it will not rain, and yeah, we will see. Okay, I'm walking here. This is wet, but let's hope we find how to get up there and check it out. I saw one entrance through the woods, but we have to hike back. This is going to be fun. Дайте порви, ние изкачим след теб. Айдем по един. Здрави се. This is fairly solid, honestly, but we are maybe too tall for this. Like, I almost hit my head. I can almost hit my head. Yes, more ladders. I think I should put the GoPro on my head, but honestly I want to have the panoramic shots when you get on the bridge. There was a couple of new cameras that were connected, but honestly we're in the middle of fucking nowhere, and I think if the cops or anyone reacts, there will be time for us to get out. And if we take that out, okay, and if we take that out again through the river, it's going to take us a long time. But I see some footprints that were not from us. I don't know, maybe other explorers, but I've never seen video from this place. Or maybe workers. Hopefully it's not workers. He said that the bridges, the stairs are dangerous, so one guy at a time. Yep. Explosive. This says explosive. Да. Май празна кутията. Hello. Та кутия за експлозиви. Да, има стикер. Виж минна количка. Да, тя че извира от тук. Още колички. Найс. Сега тази вода. Кои? Кое има вътре?
Няма нищо. Празно и такива. Право. Ма количка тук ли е, човек? Колко държи?
Опет единия вход, дето извира водата от него. This is one of the entrances, but the water is leaking right in front from it. This is the bridge. Really fucking cool, honestly. Може би затова са спряли работа, защото се е наводнило. I said maybe this is why they stopped working here, because it got flooded. And well, like this shit broke off. when we were hiking, we found some bare footprints and shit. Like, ето е хода. Сигурно.
Нещо да е също отдолу.
So we're going to cross.
We're going to try to cross.
We are going to cross. I think everything is going to be fine.
Yeah, just look at this wood.
One by one, I guess. Oh, oh, oh. И сега се чупи.
Bro,
И сега се чупи.
станеш потом.
Няма ни идея.
This fucking bridge! It's scaring the shit out of me. Honestly.
Okay, so we decided to not cross it from here because, well, it looks safe, but the wood is rotted and the metal is really rusty. I think, yeah, it can hold, but I mean, like, there is no one good path. So our plan is to go around it, but I think we're going to just waste any energy. And I see, if you see there, right there between my fingers, there is a small red hut with another cement type entrance, but I don't know. We're going to cross to check out that side, but I think we cannot enter this mine. Kind of bummer, but honestly it's better than dying, because this is not safe. While looking at a way to get inside of that mine, I stumbled across this place. The boys are looking at one building right now, and I'm checking out this place right now. It looks, well, honestly, like nothing interesting, but as I can see, maybe there is this or not an entrance into there or here, maybe not, but all I can say for now is, well, kind of a short video, but I really wanted to explore the mine, but we don't have time. And honestly, we wasted a lot of time climbing that slope, but it was too steep. That's why they probably made the bridge. But yeah, I think I should end the video here. I'm kind of disappointed, but at the same time, if we enter the mine, what did we expect? This mine was flooded. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay. This mine was flooded, but the other one was probably not.
Няма ли други входове?
Не,
От тук мога да слезем без да ни видят, май.
не знам, но тръгва да вали.
И си взех дъжд до брана.
И аз. Какво ще кажеш на виларите?
Бил майката.
Amy, yeah, wish us safe going back home. And this is a bear territory. Yeah, I said it. Let's hopefully not run into bears. Bye bye.